Hi, in this video we'll learn how to add text boxes in Google Jamboard. Text boxes are exactly what they sound like, boxes filled with text. You might be thinking, but isn't that what sticky notes do? Well, kind of. The difference between a text box and a sticky note is that text boxes can be any size and shape you like, which makes them useful if you need to write more than a sticky note can hold. You can write quite a lot of text in a text box, and even break your text into paragraphs if you need to. Text boxes are great for headings and titles, or just for anywhere you need to add a block of text. Resizing a text box using the bottom corner handles will expand both the text box and the text inside it. But resizing a text box using the side handles will leave the text the same size, but change the way it wraps within the box. Have a play with it. You'll soon get the idea. After you create a text box, you can change the size, color, or alignment of the text using these buttons at the top. Of course, just like all the other objects we've looked at, you can also rotate, delete, duplicate, and order text boxes. So there you go. That's text boxes, another versatile and handy tool in Google Jamboard. See you in the next video.